Hello friends, I am Vishal Gupta and I am an associate professor in the organization behavior area at IIM Ahmedabad. Welcome to this course on psychometrics. In this course, I will be teaching about skill development. We will be covering issues like reliability, validity. In validity, we will be talking about various kinds of validities such as content validity, construct validity, criterion validity. We will be doing some hands-on sessions. We will be looking at data sets and then we will be analyzing them using SPSS and AMOS. There is a shared folder of the course, which is course Psychometrics. Within this course, you would see this file which has the details of this course. So all the files are available in the shared folder. Okay, kindly download them and keep them. Within this folder, you would find there are data files. Within data files, you will have the data sets that we would be working on. There is an assignment file. This is a data set that I have referred from the site of Professor Madhu Vishwanathan, who has written the book Measurement. So I will be talking about these two data sets in this lecture series. Then there are some, within this lectures folder, I have the AMOS runs, which has the AMOS files. Again, something that we would be covering during the course. And then there is a readings material folder, which has three subfolders. First on scale and factor analysis, second on CFA and SEM, and the third other issues on SEM. Within each of these, there are some research papers that I have uploaded. You may download and keep them with you. I have also referred to these papers during the course of these sessions. During this course, I will also be referring to three books. AMOS, for AMOS, I will be referring to structural equation modeling with AMOS. This is the first book. This is the book that I would be referring to. The second book would be Principles and Practice of Structural Equation Modeling. And the third book would be on scale development. If you have these books in your library, please issue them and you can read them, or else you can try to follow the lectures that I have given. I would be talking about these. Then lastly, I would be covering two softwares, SPSS as well as AMOS during this course. If you have SPSS and AMOS, very good, but in case you do not have, you can download trial versions of SPSS and AMOS from these two links. You can register yourself and then download them and work on your own. I hope this lecture series would be useful for you to understand psychometrics as a discipline and scale development for social sciences. Thank you and wish you all the best.